Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on a topic of the cohort studies. The cohort studies are a type of research design and they are also called the longitudinal studies because they are the follow group of the people over a time. Result from the cohort studies can help people understand the human health and the environmental and the social factor that influence it. Now let's see the what is the cohort. The cohort means a group of the people. Cohort studies can be a forward looking to a backward looking. Cohort studies are a powerful tool to conducting a research are type of longitudinal studies follow the participant over the period of the time. People in the cohort studies typically share some characteristics such as their location and age. As we know that the cohort studies are divided into two types such as prospective cohort studies involving the recruiting a group of the participant and following them over a time to gather a new data. Retrospective studies involve the using pre-existing data. Then next one is a cross-sectional study. Cross-sectional study look a data at a single point in a time. The participant in a type of the study are selected based on the particular variables interested. Cross-sectional studies are often used to development psychological, but this is the method also used in a many other areas including the social science and the education. Cross-sectional studies are the observational in nature and also known as the descriptive research, not casual or relational, meaning that you can't use them to determine the cause of the sometimes such as the disease. Then the next one is a case control study. It is an experimental design that compresses the group of the participants processing a condition of interest to a very similar group lacking that the condition. Here the participants processing the attribute studies such as disease and the called as a case and those without their control. It is the important remember that the case group is chosen because they already possess an attribute of interest. The point of the control group, it is a facilitated investigation. For example, studying whether the case group systematically exhibit that attribute more than the control group does. Case control studies are the type of the observational studies often used to field like a medical research, environmental health and epidemiology. While most environmental studies are qualitative in nature, cost control studies can also be a quantitative and they are often are the healthcare system. Case control studies can be used to both exploratory and expandatory research and they are a good choice for studying research topics like disease and exposure of the health outcome. This is all about the cohort studies, case control and cross-sectional studies. Thank you.